Hi, today we're going to talk about the Wild Canada episode of choice. As you see your directions here, it says choose one of the Wild Canada episodes listed in the box below to watch. So that's going to be step one that I'll talk about here in just a moment. It says follow the directions in the box and answer questions 1 through 7 as you watch the episode. So step one, you're going to highlight the episode title that you chose to watch. So if you choose to watch The Heartland, you're going to highlight that using these steps. Or of course, if you chose to watch Ice Edge, you would highlight this one. That way I know which one you watched, so I know what your answer is going to go with. All right, then step two says then click on the link to watch the episode you chose. So I have them linked right here in the title. All right, and then you will see as you go if it says list 3 things or 2 things, or if there's 2 parts to the question. I have it noted in the answer box so you don't forget to answer anything. If there's not a 1, 2, 3 or an A, B in the box, that means you just have one thing to put here, like number 4, it says write 1 sentence summarizing this video. Yes, number 6 asks you to list 2 questions you still have. If you put, I don't have any questions, that's not going to work because none of us are experts in any of these video topics that you watched. So think of some questions you would still have. Might take you a little time to come up with 2 questions, but that's okay. And then number 7, just give me some feedback. I like to ask students these things when we watch videos. So just make sure you answer both A and B. Let me know if you have any questions.